This is Saturday afternoon at the Berkeley Marina near the Oiled Wildlife Care Network, the trailer. All afternoon there are people going out to capture oiled birds, and all afternoon people were bringing in oiled birds to the center.
The Albany shoreline.
Hey you guys.
This one was given to us by volunteers.
Okay, so we don't know anything about it.
Other than it was just on the Albany beach, but on the west side.
The center received birds from all over the Bay Area and registered the birds, recorded where they were collected, and gave triage where possible, and then packed them and sent them to Cordelia. And there are lots of volunteers who drove the birds to Cordelia, to the hospital where they could be washed and treated. Okay, 6 birds getting ready to go. So are they going to survive this?
Hopefully, yeah.
This is
so.
Cleanable birds?
Most of them are covered, but I mean, they're still pretty feisty, so that's good.
And this went on all afternoon. New teams getting into their Tyvek suits, going out to catch birds, and birds coming in.
Okay. Here's 2 ready ducks in here. Ready. Okay.
The Oiled Wildlife Care Network trailer was a center that received many oiled birds over a long period of time. Folks were working very long shifts back to back to prepare the birds for shipping to Cordelia by volunteers, and they kept doing it as long as the birds kept coming in.